What's up guys, my name is Aileene and welcome to my first unboxing today. And today we're going to be unboxing this Corsair, let's take this plastic off, this Corsair PBT double shot keycaps. There you go. And it's all white keycaps. I have the K65 RGB for a while now, and I wanted to customize it a little bit. And yeah, let's get started. So if we open the box right here, what we'll see is the keycaps, some paperwork. I think this black one it's the manual, and this is the warranty guide. And this packaging is very straightforward. You can just see the keycaps right there. That's the alphanumeric keys, the function keys, and all that stuff. And if you take this off, you'll see the arrow keys, number pad, all the shortcuts right here, and some keycaps for other languages and like other what do you call this? Other keyboard layouts. And this one is a keycap remover here. And I guess that's pretty much it. That's my keyboard, and what we're going to do is take this keycap remover tool and just use it. Oh, I might open a notepad just for a bit. Alright, here we go. Just do it like that and pull it. Because if you use your fingers, it's not going to be even, so you'll have a chance of damaging your keyboard itself, so that's not good. And yeah, it's easy. So this is the comparison is, this is my older keycap. Oops. And this, see the difference? This one is a little thicker, and yeah, so I'm gonna remove this. Alright you guys, it's done right now. It's so pretty, and I'm gonna show it to you right now. This awesome white keycaps. I've been trying to find a perfect keycaps for this keyboard. I have this since launch of Corsair RGB, the Corsair RGB line. And I still have that logo right there. And look, they have this. I think this is only for the old one, so the lettering is a little bit. Oh, let's see if we can focus. All right, so the lettering is way different than the newer one. Wow, it looks even better in the dark. So let's turn these lights off. There you go. Wow, Alright guys, thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoy, and if you do, please leave a like. And don't forget to subscribe. I'll be doing a lot of unboxing, gameplays, and all the random gaming stuff. So don't forget to subscribe. I think I've said that. Did I? Well, I'm just gonna say it again. And don't forget to subscribe. And I have a Twitter account, and you can hit me up there. And yeah, that's all for now. And I'll see you guys later.